I'm Chris Neighbour from Ultimat Ltd. I am the director and part owner. At Ultimat, we provide printing and display solutions for various different industries, including the fine art, photographic, hospitality and retail industries. We have to be as quick as the client requires. We have certain standard delivery times that we have for one-off pieces, but generally we are given a date and we aim to hit that date. In fact, we hit that date every time, which has helped us build a reputation. We started using Priority back in 2015. We've been using a Sage product and we needed to enhance our manufacturing capabilities. And it was very, very difficult to do through Sage because what we make are one-off items and everything is customized, and it was really hard to do in an off-the-shelf product. So we started looking at ERP systems, and that's when we came across Priority, which allowed us to bring that customization to the various different processes so that we could actually put stuff into production on a bespoke level. The best aspect is the whole customization, customizing forms, customizing business rules. That helps us and also helps our workflow and gives us automation. Having that automation that we can design in-house can just save you so much time, effort and money. It's also the scalability. As we've grown, Priority is already there. It can be at any scale. So we haven't had to buy new modules, and it's been very easy for us just to adapt and grow. Over the years, we've continued to provide more than just the UK market, most of Europe, UAE, US. And the great thing about Priority is that we can produce all of our paperwork via Priority. We can receive in different currencies, and Priority supports that for us. That makes a huge difference. Absolutely, I would definitely recommend Priority to other businesses, especially if they're manufacturing or creative industries. As I say, customization is really helpful, but also the full suite of everything that you need in order to run your business.